Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Make It Yourself. Today we are going to make this very simple and easy Christmas tree, and you can use this as an ornament as well, or as a home decor during Christmas times, or you can also use it for gifting purpose. So we are going to make this tree using white yarn so that you're able to see the stitches. So I'm going to make a slip knot first. Now I'm going to start chaining. I'm going to chain a total of 130. So this is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. So continue making these chains until you have a total count of 130 numbers. I would also like to add that details related to the hook size, the yarn used, and the other items required in today's tutorial will be listed in the description section of this video. So here we are done with the 130 chains. Now on the second chain from the hook, we are going to insert our hook and make first one single crochet. So after making the single crochet, we're going to chain 2 and then insert the hook into the base 2 loops and then pull through it and make a slip stitch. So this is called as a picot. So similarly into the next chain also, make first a single crochet, then chain 2 and make a picot by inserting the hook into the base 2 loops and pull the yarn through it and make a slip stitch. So let me show you once more. Make a single crochet first and then chain 2, insert your hook into the base 2 loops and pull through it and make a slip stitch. So make the single crochet followed by the chain 2 picot on each of the chains. So we have now we are left with 129 stitches now. So into each of the stitches make first a single crochet followed by a chain 2 picot. So as you can see, once we do this pattern, we get this small picots over each stitch. So do this till the end of this row. So here we are at the end of this row and you can see that this uh, particular chain has curled a bit, but that you did not have to worry about it. We will be arranging it at the end. So we have two more stitches left. So into this last two stitches as well, we are going to make this one single crochet and then a chain 2 picot. So this is our last chain. So into this as well, make first single crochet, then chain 2 and make the picot. So after this last stitch, we are going to chain 1 and then we are going to trim our yarn. So before trimming the yarn, make sure to leave a long tail because we will be needing this tail to stitch the tree pattern. So this is one which I have already made in green color yarn and red beads. So this is how we are going to arrange this string so that we can turn it into a Christmas tree. The end with the tail yarn should be on top, and then we are going to arrange it such that the tail yarn end is right in the middle of the tree pattern, and then we will be folding this string in such a manner that the breadth increases as we go down. So here, as you can see, I have arranged it, and now using a needle I am going to insert into this first layer then place a bead, then push through two more layers, place another bead, and then through two more layers and place another bead, and so on. So we will be continuing in this manner till we reach the last layer. So insert through the base layer, that is the single crochet layer, and here at the end we have this last end of the string, and we want to make sure that the end of the string ends in the middle of the Christmas tree. Now pull the needle through all the layers. So once you have pulled it through all the layers, we are going to stitch back. So insert through another stitch, and now insert back through the same layers and through the beads as well till you reach the top of the Christmas tree. So this is the front part of the Christmas tree, which has the picots over it. So once you pull it through the top, it will look like this, and you can arrange the layers of the tree. And now we are going to stitch this second tail yarn. So if you would have left a longer tail yarn, you could use a needle and stitch it in. Since I had a smaller tail yarn, I used a crochet hook to stitch that in. So now the next thing we will be doing is we will be adding a star to the top of the Christmas tree, which is optional, but as you can see, once the star is added, it gives the tree the complete look of a Christmas tree. So to make the star, we will be using the size 10 yarn, which I have doubled it, and this details will be available in the description as well. So make a magic ring and chain one. Now you can take the magic ring out of your fingers, and into this magic ring we are going to make the remaining stitches. So this chain one acts as a single crochet. So next we are going to make one half double crochet, followed by one double crochet, followed by chain of two. Next make another double crochet, and then make a half double crochet, and next make one single crochet. So this is one corner of the star. Now make the second one. So here's make the half double crochet, a double crochet, followed by a chain of two and one double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. So we will repeat this pattern a total of 5 times to make 5 corners of the star. So repeat the same pattern and make the star. So this star is optional. If you have a small button or any other star ornament, you can add it at the top of the tree as well instead of making one in crochet. But I feel the crochet star makes it look even more prettier. So at the end we are going to slip stitch to the first stitch. So the first chain one that we did, into that make a slip stitch, pull the yarn and then trim off. So now we are going to pull the center yarn and close the magic ring as much as possible, and after this first we will be trimming off the center yarn, and now the star will be adding it to the top of the Christmas tree. So the tail yarn that we had of the Christmas tree, we are going to insert it through few of the back stitches of the star and then pull through it. So here too we are pulling the stitches from bottom to top and arrange it on top of the tree. Now turn your work. So this is the back side of the tree. So here using the yellow tail yarn, we are going to place a knot with over the white yarn so that the star does not move up and down the white yarn. So we are going to place a knot here. So if you would have left a longer tail yarn, you could have used it a needle and placed a knot. So here I use a crochet hook. Now this white tail yarn, you're going to bend it, and at the top of the star we are going to place a knot here. So this loop can be used to hang the Christmas tree ornament into either a real Christmas tree or into a hook or wherever you would want to have it displayed. So place a knot at the back of the star and trim off the yarn, and now turn it the right way. So here our pretty little Christmas tree is ready, and it takes hardly 5-6 minutes to get this pattern ready. So you can use this for gifting your close ones. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Also give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, guys.